Number 2. Ameriwood Home Chicago, our find for best TV stand electric fireplace. If you want a media console that adds warmth and storage without complicating your setup, the Ameriwood Home Chicago Fireplace TV stand is a smart all-in-one pick. You get a freestanding unit in a durable laminated wood build with an espresso wood grain finish and glass accents, so it blends cleanly with living rooms, dens, or apartments while anchoring your TV and components. You're also getting real, usable heat. The UltraFlame electric insert provides up to 5100 British thermal unit of quiet, gentle warmth, ideal for supplementing rooms up to about 400 square feet. It plugs into a standard 120-volt outlet, produces no smoke or emissions, and lets you lower the central thermostat while keeping the area you actually use comfortable. Control the vibe your way. Long-lasting, ultra-bright LEDs create realistic logs and flame effects that you can run with or without heat, so movie nights, game days, and late-evening reading all feel right. The modern fireplace look elevates your space without the cost or complexity of a built-in. Day-to-day, it's practical. The cabinet offers organized space for streaming boxes, game consoles, and accessories, and the sturdy construction keeps everything stable. If you're after the best TV stand electric fireplace, combining storage, style, and efficient supplemental heating, this Ameriwood unit delivers a clean centerpiece that works as good as it looks. Before we unveil the top find, don't forget to explore the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And if you want to stay informed,